Welcome to this comprehensive guide to Monday.com form responses. In this tutorial, we will explore what form responses are, how they work, and how to use them effectively in your workflow. First, let's start with the basics. Monday.com is a work operating system that allows teams to manage their work, projects, and tasks in one place. One of the key features of Monday.com is its form builder, which enables users to create custom forms to collect data and information from team members, customers, or stakeholders. Form responses refer to the data and information collected through these custom forms. When someone submits a form, their response is automatically stored in your Monday.com account, where you can view, analyze, and act on the data. To create a form and collect responses, you need to set up a new form in your Monday.com account. You can do this by clicking on the form builder icon and selecting the type of form you want to create, such as a contact form, survey, or feedback form. Once you have created your form, you can add fields and questions to collect the information you need. When someone submits your form, their response will be added to your Monday.com board as a new item. You can then view and manage these responses in your board, where you can filter, sort, and analyze the data. You can also set up automations to trigger actions based on form responses, such as sending notifications or assigning tasks. One of the key benefits of using form responses in Monday.com is that it allows you to automate and streamline your workflow. For example, you can use form responses to collect customer feedback and automatically assign follow-up tasks to your team. You can also use form responses to collect data and insights from your team members, and use this information to inform your decision-making. Best practices for using form responses in Monday.com include keeping your forms simple and concise, using clear and descriptive field labels, and testing your forms to ensure they are working correctly. You should also establish clear processes for managing and acting on form responses, such as assigning tasks and setting deadlines. In conclusion, Monday.com form responses are a powerful tool for collecting and managing data and information in your workflow. By understanding how form responses work and how to use them effectively, you can automate and streamline your workflow and make more informed decisions. With its intuitive form builder and powerful automation features, Monday.com makes it easy to collect and act on form responses and get more out of your workflow.